All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Giannis 11 by 14. This is number 2. So we'll check the time, December 15th at 2:58 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have December 15th. Oh, let's try that again. There we go, 2:58 p.m. There is the list of our 16 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chris. Spot 12 is your winner. So Chris, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp once again, December 15th. 2:59 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.